There is no greater power than the power of nutritional therapy in healing our body and mind. At Live Well with Traditions, our mission is to promote healing and wellness by delivering fresh, nutritious, chef-inspired meals direct to the door for Medicare Advantage members eligible for a chronic illness meal benefit or who have been discharged from the hospital. With over 40 distribution points across the country and a 48-state reach, Live Well with Traditions is backed by 50 years of experience in delivering healthy, convenient, and enjoyable meals for seniors. Live Well with Traditions' commitment to the highest quality of service begins when a member becomes eligible. Our friendly customer service representatives contact members by phone, offering education and information. Then we go the extra mile, delivering excellently prepared foods direct to the door with care and attention. Our associates can also place meals on a counter or in the freezer if members need that extra touch. Live Well with Traditions' nourishing menus offer tasty choices that are chef-inspired and dietitian-designed. A variety of meal options can meet the special dietary requirements of those with certain chronic illnesses or other needs, such as gluten-free or vegetarian diets. Our highest commitment to member well-being is designed for high marks on customer engagement surveys. Direct-to-door delivery. Delicious, nutritious meals that support health and wellness. Reliable customer service with extra attention and care. Live Well with Traditions, your choice for excellence in meal plan benefits.